Stretching exercises for beginners, post-workout routine. Welcome to our guide on stretching exercises after workout for beginners. Stretching is crucial for flexibility, recovery, and preventing injuries. Let's dive into some simple stretches you can do after your workout. First up, the hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor and extend your legs in front of you. Reach towards your toes without rounding your back. This stretch will target your hamstrings and help release tension in your back. Next, the quadriceps stretch. Stand on one leg, grab the ankle of your other leg, and pull it towards your buttock, keeping your knees together. You'll feel this stretch in the front of your thigh. Moving on to the calf stretch. Find a wall to lean against and place one foot behind you, keeping it straight. Bend the front knee and lean forward, allowing you to stretch your calf muscle. For your upper body, let's do a shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your body and use the other hand to press it closer, stretching the shoulder. It's a great way to relieve tension from weightlifting or desk work. Don't forget about the tricep stretch. Reach one hand down the middle of your back, elbow pointing upwards, and use the other hand to gently press on the elbow. This targets the back of your arms. The chest stretch is next. Find a doorway, place your forearms on either side, and gently lean forward. You'll feel a nice stretch across your chest, perfect after doing push-ups or bench pressing. For your back, the CatCow stretch is excellent. On your hands and knees, alternate between arching your back towards the ceiling and dipping it towards the floor. It helps increase spine flexibility and relieves tension. Lastly, never rush your stretches. Hold each position for at least 20 seconds for optimal benefits. Incorporating these stretches after your workouts will greatly improve your flexibility, recovery, and overall performance. Happy stretching!